Hello, I've got a super cool demo for you. I've got a SQL table with a bunch of tasks with relevant due dates. I want to read from this SQL table and automatically update them on Basecamp, which is a project management tool that we use. If you see, we have an AETL script which package which reads from the SQL table very simply. You can just click and configure it. There's a custom Python script which it fully supports. This is the one which makes the API call to Basecamp, receives the relevant task ID, and then again a custom no code task which updates the task ID. Let me show this to you in action. Save this and let's just order pizza from, let's say I want to order from Domino's this time. Click on save, come back, and we run this package over here. Now AETL allows you to see all the scripts which you have done in detail. Okay, all the logs are available to you here as well. Let me first come on the website, refresh this, and you will see the 3 tasks have been created. Number 2, if I come back over here and refresh this, all my task ID from Basecamp are also here. And if I were to run into any error, AETL provides amazing capabilities to logging as well. So each item is logged properly in a log file, so I can focus on the small code and get everything moving. Hope this was useful.